Hi guys, welcome back. It's Usman Nasir at c++.co. Today our tutorial is about basic output statements in C++. Although we have used input and output statement in our previous tutorials, but today we are going deep into these statements. First, let me talk about this statement that we are using since our first tutorial, that what it is about. Actually, when you use cout, you don't define that what cout do and what how it works and how these operator works and how everything is being done. Actually, this library contain all those details that how cout and cin is going to work. So this library is basically contain all these details, so that so include main includes all those details in this program. So now let's start with output statement. Output statement basically print out, or you can say see out anything or with whatever you need to the main screen. Now if you want to see out any string, you can put double quotes. You can say this is my first printout. Now, as I've already told you about this statement NL, this basically produces new statement new line on the main screen. Now don't worry about these two statements. Now let's run this program and let's see what happens. As you can see guys, this has been printed out on the screen. Now you can do various things with this cout statement. For example, if you want to cout some variable along with the string, you can declare a variable, assign it a value, and then you can insert another of two operators here and press X. Now this is my first printout and X will be printed next to it. Now if you want to produce a space here, you can put a space. Now this will be printed in the same sequence as it is here. First there will be this is my first printout, and then there will be value of X, which is 8. Now you might have noticed that there is no double quotes for variables. Please make sure that you don't put double quotes and you just put it like that. So let's run it and see how it goes. So you can see 8 is printed out on the main screen. You can also print direct values to the main screen. For example, here I am putting 8, or for sake of better understanding put 10 here. Now press to run the code, and you can see that 8 and 10 is printed out, but there is no space. Now if you want to put a space here, you can again do this and add a space. Space is basically a string, so string is always printed out within double quotes. Now if you close it and run it again, then you will see a space between them. So I think this is it for a cout statement. Now let's move to the cin statements. Now if you want to input something to the program, and most of the time you want to do that, for input we use cin, and the operators we use are greater than. Here for cout we use these operators, and for cin we use these operators. So now if you want to input value from the user, you can use cin, but to input value from the user you definitely need some variable to input your data. So we have declared X already, so we will use X here and put semicolon, because semicolon is the line terminator. Now run this program and it will ask you for the input. So this has been inputted. So now there is no benefit of this input, so let us see out the value of x, produce a new line, and let's see if our input actually works. So here I entered 23 and 23 is printed out on the main screen. So if you want to make your input more user friendly, before inputting you can make it user friendly by displaying some message to the end user, like you can say input your age. Now input your age will be executed before this line, because this line comes before, and C++ read the code line by line. So this line will come first, this will be printed out on the main screen, then it will ask you for the input, and then when you will enter the input, then you can see out my age is x, then produce a new line, and you will see how it goes here. Input your age, enter 25, my age is 25. So I think that's enough for today. I hope I will see you next time. Like our Facebook page at facebook.com/c++co, and see you until next time. Thank you guys.